My memorable moment of Mandela Boo, you know. No, seriously, like, most memorable moment, not telling a lie.
Zaga, anything you see me, I do that on me business. And I ever somebody when I know you watch at your business. At the same time, you broke that's why nobody no business. But as you make a meal, all the enemy business. So that's why I'm in the business, when I do funky business. So I gotta tell all the doctor when they start out the business. For over 30 years, I'm still the king in the business. I know I well for settle them, I feed them business.
Now, the renowned king of the dancehall, Music-Beenie Man Davis, was like most artists at the beginning of their career, young, full of talent and eager, possibly not knowing when to choose their moment. The latter is important, as Beenie Man will tell you, it is what helped to shape the entertainer he is today. It was the summer of 1991 when Nelson Mandela visited Jamaica. The revered statesman was just freed and the world was looking on. Beenie Man, about 18 years old at the time, was a budding artist, eager to show what he was made of. On stage, he got his moment to show the enormous gathering his talent, so he went up and sang.
Hey, green, I'm over there, so where you borrow.
The local audience who turned out to see the respected leader were mostly not in the mood for the young artist's shenanigans. What followed was a resounding... It was a make-or-break moment for the then-rising star, who was staggered by the audience's reaction when in another setting the song was well received. He would have to learn that timing is everything.
But I get realized now, the whole lot of people them are run behind Mandela from morning and then you come say, hey, give them over this. And then I show you what points. Yeah, but why is that the most memorable in my career? Because that is where I get the motivation from to become the artist that I am today.
And what an artist he became. His persistence and the ability to brush off negativity would pay off.
Everybody was talking about the boot like it was the biggest thing that happened, you know. So when we realized that the boo we're off 9-day talk, people look for tune, we do a song in name. Hey, them I watch you. Hey, them and the song just got so whoop. And me do matey and a good sit and it went to #1. So that's when me realized I can make a difference and make an impact.
And the hits came one after the other.
Marlena go on down. Me have no got nothing to put on down. Dig up a boy for your school uniform. We make me for 51 star. You so full of it, but you so clever. You still have to make a you design for me the dancer. If for me alone, I would have turned her in. Sim Simma, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar.
But still, no worthwhile journey is without its challenges. For Beenie, a lot of this would come from his musical peers.
I've get disrespected from so many artists. It's not because I'm an idiot or I'm a fool or somebody can drape me up or what. It's because my greatness. See, for building lyrics on the spot, I don't care who you are, I don't care how big he is. From we in a competition, because I'm coming from sound system days. From sound a clash with sound, DJ a clash against DJ.
He recalls his biggest rivalry being with another dancehall legend, Bounty Killer.
Yeah, it's the longest one because rivalry, back in the days just one night, you dead tonight and tomorrow night me and your friend. You know, but there's no friendship there and there was no love lost there. It was just, you know, agony. And me started out as a DJ for the females, you know, and then Bounty Killer get me into that side of the rude boy side.
The decades-running lyrical battle between the two has become legendary. Thankfully today they are both older and wiser and have put away the rivalry for something greater.
Bounty Killer becomes my brother right now.
There has even been a collaboration with the two, which if you were a fan of either in the early years, you probably didn't see it coming.
Legendary, 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 come on, legendary. With him a brag, man done that already. We clean and we out, and we swag legendary.
Apart from Bounty Killer, this king has great respect for some of our dancehall royalties.
Artists like Popcorn, he might do a good job, you know. Rate 5 Cartel, and Movado. I do know, yeah, man.
And a few who are making a good case for future induction.
Like Skank, I like seeing him on stage. A madman when him jump on the stage, it's a different thing. I like Joshy, because I know him from my youth. And I never expect him to become that great of an artist. I know say him can do look engineering thing and something, but I never know say him have that name, you know. Because you're not gonna know where a man have until him push out. And he really did push out and he really did impress me.
Wonderful words from one of the greatest to ever do it. Counting his years as a mere toddler, Beenie has been doing this for over 40 years, and the doctor is not done with his patients just yet. Hard to believe when you think his whole motivation came from a sound that has finished so many careers before they began. But not Beenie Man. It was the sound that motivated him to work harder and to be better. If you ask him, without it,
I want to work that hard to be this person that I am today. I want to become the doctor, I want to become the king of the dancehall, I want to get all of these achievements that so I think that was my motivation, that was the injection that I need.
An injection that birthed 18 studio albums and counting.
My body of work, it proven, bring out the people and bring the energy in the people, and the people come out to see exactly what them expected to get a great performance. And whether it's soundtrack or whether it's band or whether it's a rubber band or whether pan is knocking, the vibes remain the same. Whether it's 10 people or 10,000 people, the vibes remain the same. This is what I do.
See ya now we do it again. One more time. Billboard we reach again. One more time. Grammy we see it again. One more time. DJ are the here again.